Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to turn off vacation mode on Etsy. First, open your web browser and go to Etsy.com. Make sure you sign in using the account that is linked to your shop. Once you are signed in, you will see the Shop Manager option at the top right corner of the page. Click on Shop Manager to access your shop settings. In the Shop Manager, look for the Settings section on the left-hand menu. Click on Settings to open a list of options for your shop. In this menu, you will see Options. Click on Options to open your shop preferences. After opening Options, look at the top menu of the page. You will see Vacation Mode listed there. Click on Vacation Mode to open the settings for this feature. Here, you will find the option to turn Vacation Mode on or off. To turn off Vacation Mode, simply switch the Vacation Mode option to Off. This will allow your shop to be visible to buyers and let them make purchases again. After switching Vacation Mode off, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click Save to make sure your changes are applied. Thanks for watching.